or the Cinderella palette, that's upside down, from X Revolution. Hey! Sorry. My throat's been a little sore. Welcome back to JordiNic Creations. My name is JordiNicholson. Oh, pretty. If you're new here, this Mer-tastic channel is about makeup and skincare related stuff. Today's video is going to be a makeup look with either the new Friends palette, we were on our break for Makeup Revolution, or the Cinderella palette, that's upside down, from X Revolution. So if you want to see that, stick to watching this video and like this video, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'm just gonna dive right in. I want to get the entire Friends collection. The first, the second, and the current, the last one, the third one. That was the front of that, the back of that. Came in this little thing. The Friends came in like this little plastic slip or whatever. Oh, this one is gorgeous. Look, it has like this face. Yeah. And then the beautiful eyeshadows. Whew, I don't know what to do. I think I know what I'm gonna do, sort of. Well, I'm gonna use the Cinderella palette. Definitely know that. Oh, it's so pretty. Yes, it's so gorgeous. Okay, let's see here. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the, the lips are pink. Let's go with pink. I'm gonna go in with Anastasia right here. Gonna go that in with that. First, let's just, my arms are so dry. Haven't even swatched this yet, so big surprise. Do I want all over my lid? Yes, I do. Ooh, that's pretty. I didn't put that much on my brush because I didn't know how pigmented it was going to be or bright, so. Ooh, okay, yeah, whoa. Next, I'm going to go in with the Tremaine right here. Okay, I'm not seeing any much pigment. So far I'm not impressed with this color. Okay, it's a little better with a different brush. Picks up a little more pigment. White, is that actually gonna be nice and white? So, okay. Could just be because my hands are super dry and it is not, it's super powdery. Maybe if I wet it. You know what? I'll just be back, finish this eye, and just finish the rest of my face and see how it turns out. I don't want this video to drag on, because I totally can. So I'll just be back, finish the rest of my face, and we'll see what it turns out to be. Hey! This is the look. Let me turn off my ring light. Okay. This eye looks... yeah, this eye just in general just looks so much better. The eyeshadow looks so much better in person. It's still just not... it took a lot of... so much blending. A lot of time blending, because the formula just is not good. Like, just be on it. I'll be honest. The formula of the eyeshadow is not good at all. Like, you just dip it in, dip the brush into the eyeshadow just a little bit, and it just crumbles and it goes everywhere, and it doesn't even apply on your eyes that well. And my eyebrows look so terrible. Gosh, I really need to do my eyebrows better. But the face palette, that's good. It also is really crumbly. Like, it's very, very easy to ruin if you're not careful with it. But it applied on my face really well. Like, in person, it looks really good. And like off camera, it looks really, really well. But I use that to highlight. The Bibbidi I used to highlight. I actually technically use them all, but actually I don't think I really use that one, because that's a little too, yeah. I use this one to kind of contour a little bit, which I actually can tell a little bit in the camera, so that's a plus. And then I use that to sort of help blend the contouring, because I suck at contouring. And then I use this one and this one for blush. I use that one as blush just a little bit, like underneath a little bit, and then I use these two to kind of brighten it up. So, but actually I started with this one as blush, and then I don't know, I kept going between those two. Actually, I don't think I used that one as blush at all. But the Bibbidi, just like, that's really good for highlighting. Really good for highlighter. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Yay. I do not do the highlight right here, or just the whole, no. Not my thing, just barely anything right there. But, yes. Okay, let's try this, because I forgot to do this. I'm just gonna do this. Whoa, it's so flexible. Whoa, dude. Honestly, it doesn't feel like there's like really much product in it. So. Okay, now my eyelashes, like, my bottom eyelashes, you could tell I have some, but my top just, in the camera, like, it's just like, they're barely there. Even in real life, they're barely there. Okay. Sometimes my eyelashes just, they have good days, they have bad days. Sometimes mascara goes on them really well. And sometimes, it just applies terribly. trying to wiggle because it seems to sort of just be clumping a little bit, sort of. Okay, oh, I'm really liking it so far, and like I haven't even dipped it back in. Usually I dip it back in by now. I like the brush. The brush is really nice and flexible. Usually I don't like my eyelashes to look kind of spiky like this, but if they get them like nice and long, I will love it. Cause like it's making my eyelashes like clustered. I don't like that. I like them all fanned out and look like I have a lot of eyelashes. Okay. Probably can't tell on the camera. This is the eye with mascara. It's easy to do on the bottom eyelashes too. Wow, you rarely get a mascara that you can easily use for top eyelashes and bottom eyelashes. That actually like does a really good job at the top. And that was actually really easy to apply because it was really easy to apply for the bottom eyelashes too, because of it's nice and skinny. Like it feels really light. It's kind of weird, but I like that. That was easy. Okay, well, for my eyebrows I use the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel in deep brown. Maybe I should have not have used deep brown. I don't know, but that's what I used for my eyebrows, and they look terrible. Sorry. My camera stopped recording, so sorry for the random jump, but I just set my makeup with, well, my e.l.f. translucent powder and the e.l.f. setting spray. But catch me in my next video. If you want to see that, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you know when I post the video and other videos. Like this video. It doesn't take that long to like it. It'll just help YouTube push my videos out there. Help with the YouTube algorithm, which is a pain in the butt. And comment on this video if you would like to see me do other eye looks with the Cinderella palette, although it was a pain in the butt, or anything else. Just be respectful to me and other people on this platform. And that's it for the video. I'm going to swim out.